Hi everyone, welcome again to the Immigration Hour, a weekly show by an immigration attorney discussing important issues of the day. I am Attorney Stella. Today's show discusses the fact that the immigration fees will be increasing come April 1st, 2024. For those who don't know, when non-immigrants file petitions asking for benefits with the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services, they pay money along with that. Those who want to reside in the United States or those who want to visit the United States, there is always a fee that goes along with those services. That is when you petition to the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services, the petitions always go along with fees. Although there are some forms, humanitarian forms, that do not go along with fees, but generally when you apply for any benefits with the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services, you pay a fee for those services. As from April 1st, 2024, those fees will be changing significantly. This is important because if there's anyone who hopes to apply for a benefit with the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services and is holding on or is procrastinating or is sitting on the applications, on the petitions, or they're thinking about it, the best thing to do is to submit your application or your petitions before April 1st, 2024. So if you're sitting on your petition, a petition that you're hoping to file in the future, and if you're ready to submit your petition, it is important to do so before April 1st, 2024, because the fees will have changed and will be changing significantly. This new rule that takes effect as from April 1st, 2024 has a lot of additional humanitarian exceptions. As we know, the laws have always had humanitarian exceptions for asylum, for refugees, so the new rule has a lot of additional humanitarian exceptions. The rule also makes a lot of changes to other benefits that are also sought with the immigration. That is, the rule has also changed a lot of requirements for certain benefits that are sought with the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services. The question then becomes, why is it that the immigration sometimes makes changes to the fee requirements? The United States Citizenship and Immigration Services is primarily funded by the fees that it collects from those that are seeking benefits with that institution. When the fees are collected, the government uses that money to fund the cost of adjudicating future petitions that are put before the government. The fees also cover the humanitarian petitions that I initially talked about that generally do not go with any costs or fees. The Department of Homeland Security saw a need to increase this fee or to make some changes to the fee structure because the current fees collected do not cover for the cost of the services that they are providing. There was a need to make these changes in order to catch up with the increase in federal salaries and also the increased inflation rate when it comes to goods and services. Most immigration fees have not changed since 2016, and as you know, the inflation cost for goods and services has skyrocketed. The fees paid by U.S. employers to hire foreign nationals in order to work for their companies is also significantly changed by this rule. The United States Congress does not have an annual appropriations. They do not have a budget for the services provided by USCIS adjudicating these petitions for individuals and entities. The United States Congress sometimes passes a supplementary budget for the services provided by USCIS. Generally speaking, there is no annual appropriations for this department. The takeaway from this video is that those that are qualified to submit their applications and petitions to the USCIS for adjudication should go ahead and do it. Do so by April 1st, 2024 in order to take advantage of the current fee structure. This show is also to educate the pundits. There are those that complain that non-immigrants are an economic drag to the system. I would say to those people that that notion is not correct, because non-immigrants and immigrants are very hardworking. On the contrary, they support and sustain the services run by the USCIS. Permit me to take you back to the year 2000, when Congress amended Section 245I of the Life Act. This was during President Clinton's period. And then those that entered into the country without inspection, those that worked when they did not have the papers to work, those whose statuses had expired, and those that had overstayed their stay in the United States were allowed to adjudicate their statuses in the United States, were fined an additional $1,000. Those who for some reason think that non-immigrants are an economic drag to the system, the facts state otherwise. So I therefore hope that such people have been educated by this show as well. For those that are ready to submit their applications to the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services, do not procrastinate. If you wish to save some money, go ahead and submit your applications before the fees increase or before the fee changes in April 1st, 2024. The information provided in this show, just like in any of our shows, is for informational purposes only. It is not legal advice. If you need legal advice, please contact us, or you can contact any other law firm. As we all know, knowledge is power. Therefore, please like, share, and subscribe so that we can empower each other. Thank you.